Have you ever stood in a place where the rain doesn't fall, but dances? Where it drifts in like a blessing, soft and certain, whispering through the palms? The first time I felt that rain in Hawaii, I truly understood what balance meant, finding strength through softness, and discovering rhythm through rest. Hawaii holds this incredible energy of water and fire together. It's fluid yet powerful, nurturing yet vibrant. In the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda, this is the dance of Pitta and Kapha, the interplay of heat and moisture, of passion and peace. And just like this island, our own bodies can learn to breathe in the space between the two, finding our own harmony. To soothe the inner fire and steady the heart, Ayurveda guides us toward cooling foods, creamy coconut, crisp cucumber, and fresh greens. But true balance also needs a touch of flavor, a little spice to awaken the senses, a hint of sweetness to invite forgiveness. This is the medicine of the tropics, gentle, soothing heat wrapped in deep, profound nourishment. Today, I want to share my love letter to Hawaii's beautiful balance, a dish I call coconut rain soup. We start with creamy coconut milk. Simmered gently with fragrant ginger, bright lemongrass, and a squeeze of lime. We add bok choy, sweet carrots, and delicate rice noodles to give it body and substance. Finally, a tiny sprinkle of chili flakes, just enough to remind us of the warm, life-giving sunlight. It's a comfort that moves with you, light but lasting. This way of eating resonates deeply with native Hawaiian tradition, where food is a relationship, a principle known as aloha ina, or love of the land. Kalo, or taro, represents ancestry and nourishment, while the vast ocean provides the salt of life itself. Ayurveda calls this living energy prana. The islands call it mana, the divine life force. Though the words are different, they both speak of the same reverence, gratitude, and flow that connects us all. Here in Hawaii, I learned that softness isn't weakness, it's wisdom wrapped in grace. The rain doesn't force anything to grow, it simply arrives, and in its gentle rhythm, everything blossoms. That's how healing happens, too. It's not about pushing, but about allowing. This was our journey to Hawaii, where coconut meets the rain. Join me next time as we fly east to Puerto Rico, where vibrant rhythm meets resilience and flavor sings in the heart of the storm. Until then, remember to bend, to root, and to breathe. Thank you for being here with me today. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and reflections on our journey.